Ninja Crispi Pro 6 in 1 glass air fryer, 6 QT and 2.5 QT glass containers, 1800 W, 450 degrees Fahrenheit, bone, AS101 LG. Transform the way you cook, store, and reheat meals with the Ninja Crispi Pro 6 in 1 glass air fryer, an innovative all-in-one cooking system designed for busy families and home chefs. Featuring 1,800 watts of powerful performance, PFAS-free borosilicate glass containers, and versatile cooking functions, this premium air fryer delivers healthier, faster, and more convenient meal preparation while eliminating the need for multiple kitchen appliances. Designed as a feeds-up 210, family-sized glass cooking system, the Ninja Crispi Pro includes both a 6-quart clean crisp borosilicate glass container for preparing large family meals and a 2.5-quart container that's perfect for everyday cooking, meal prep, or smaller portions. Each container includes a dedicated crisper plate to promote even airflow and crispier results, along with secure snap-lock storage lids that allow you to cook, store, and transport meals using the same container. Whether you're preparing dinner for the whole family or meal prepping lunches for the week, this flexible system adapts to your lifestyle. Powered by 1800 W Power TO Cook a 7.5 lb whole chicken, the Ninja Crispi Pro is the most powerful Ninja Crispi model yet. Its high-performance heating system reaches temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to roast whole chickens, bake casseroles, air-fry crispy fries, and prepare restaurant-quality meals faster than conventional ovens. The powerful heating technology ensures even cooking while locking in flavor and achieving crispy, golden finishes without excessive oil. Health-conscious cooks will appreciate the PFAS-free, PTFE-free, and BPA-free construction. The premium clean crisp borosilicate glass containers are completely free from forever chemicals on every food contact surface, giving you confidence that your meals are prepared without toxic non-stick coatings. Unlike traditional coated baskets, the clear glass design allows you to monitor cooking progress while offering a clean, non-reactive cooking surface that won't absorb odors or stains. One of the most impressive features is the thermal shock-resistant glass, frozen TO crispy in minutes capability. Thanks to durable borosilicate glass construction, you can move food directly from the freezer into the air fryer without thawing or transferring to another dish. The glass withstands extreme temperature changes without cracking, making meal preparation quicker, easier, and more efficient while reducing cleanup. Offering 6-in-1 versatility, this appliance replaces multiple kitchen gadgets with 6 convenient cooking functions: Max Crisp, Air Fry, Bake/Proof, Roast, Recrisp, and Dehydrate. From crispy chicken wings and roasted vegetables to freshly baked bread, homemade jerky, or reheated leftovers that taste freshly cooked, the Ninja Crispi Pro handles virtually every cooking task with ease. The innovative modular base fits multiple container sizes, allowing the stainless steel cooking base to work seamlessly with 2.5-quart, 4-quart, and 6-quart clean crisp glassware. This flexible design lets you cook everything from individual meals to family-sized dinners without purchasing additional appliances. For even greater convenience, the LAKPROF snap-lock lids for meal prep and storage keep food fresh and prevent spills, making it easy to move meals from the air fryer to the refrigerator or freezer. Since the containers are microwave-safe, freezer-safe, and dishwasher-safe, cleanup is simple and meal preparation becomes more efficient than ever. Combining powerful performance, non-toxic materials, versatile cooking functions, and practical food storage, the Ninja Crispi Pro 6 in 1 glass air fryer AS101 LG is an exceptional choice for healthier cooking, convenient meal prep, and modern kitchen efficiency.